In this video, we will learn to read and extract zip files in Python. To read the content of a zip file, we can use functions in the zip file module. First, we need to import zip file and OS module. So we're going to do import OS then zip file. Now we can do os.chdir for moving to the folder where our zip file is. I have my zip file in this directory. And now we can create a zip file object by calling the zip file objects function zip file and pass it a string of the zip file's name. My zip file and call its function zip file. And need to give the name of our zip file. Mine is files.zip. Now we'll call nameless method of zip files object that return a list of names for all the files and folder in the zip file. My zip dot list nameless dot name list. I will just run this program and see if it prints the name of the files in the zip file. I need to save the names of files in a variable. File names. File names. And now I can print the names of files. File names. Let's run and check it out. There's S missing over here. Let's run it again. Yeah, it printed two file names. They are included in our zip file, echo client and echo server. If we want to get more information about each file, then we can call getInfo function of zip file object, which return a zip info object about the particular file. Let's do now my zip dot get info. I'm just gonna pick one of the files name from here and give it to this function, and we will get zip info object. I will give it the name file info, and we can print its attribute such as file size. Print file info dot file size. It is a local string. And then here and run it again. It printed the size over here. Now we got the file size. Now to extract the files and folder in the zip file, we can call extract all method, and it will extract all the files and folders into the current working directory. So we can do this. Now we just need to call extract all myzip dot extract all, and then I'm just gonna close this myzip dot close and run the program. Now I will check my folder, and it seems it's extracted all the files needed from the zip file which were in that zip file. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.